Hey there, welcome. My name is Do with Do Dodson Designs and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to take this decorative molding. This is called WoodUbend. If you've heard of it, maybe you haven't, but I'm going to show you how you can take this and you can heat it up and bend it and apply it to furniture and home decor. You can actually apply it to anything. You can apply it to glass, metal, wood, plastic, whatever surface you have, you can apply it to it. Add some decorative features to something that's boring and plain that just needs to be zhuzhed up a notch and make it awesome. So let me get my supplies together and let's get started. This is so cool. This is the trim that's all coiled up. It comes coiled up together, and what you do is you take your heat gun, or you can use a blow dryer, whichever works fine. I like the heat gun because it's faster. And then you're going to take it and you're going to hold it on the WoodUbend, and you can watch it as it heats up. It starts unrolling. You're going to continue doing this until you get a strip long enough to put on what you want. And then I'm going to show you how to actually add it to your furniture. Isn't this cool? Add it. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, cool. So once you've measured the amount that you want for your project, you can cut it with a pair of scissors. It's really that easy. I'm just going to take a little brush and I'm just going to spread it, make sure it's evenly across here. This is a wood glue, dries clear, and we're going to be painting over this anyway. This product is very porous, so anything that you put on top of it is going to soak in, including stains. So you can see how this could be really cool to put on anything and then paint over it, right? Okay, now while that is there, I want you to hold it in place, and then you're going to take your gun again and you're going to heat it up. What this does, it helps activate the glue and the mold trim. It helps it set faster. See how quickly it sets? It sets super quick. It activates with the wood and then it dries. So you can see how quickly you can move on to the next piece. So take your gun, again, heat this part up, and you're going to work your way around. There's actually a little bit of glue on that still, so I'm going to put that in place and just hold it until it dries. And then we're going to work our way around and add this decorative trim to this old piece. And this, by the way, is an old laundry hamper. How cool is this? An old laundry hamper that actually can be used as storage. I'm going to be probably putting books and staging materials. The stuff that I stage my furniture with needs to be hidden and not out for everybody to see because my house is a hot mess. So I'm going to be using it for that. Okay, so it's on there. It's not going anywhere. So I'm going to continue all the way around, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to put one more decorative mold on here, and I'm going to do that with you too. Almost done, almost completely going all the way around. Add a little more glue back up in here. The good thing about this is that it doesn't dry really quickly, and you can pull it back a little bit and add more little glue if you want to. Just heat it up and pull it back, add some glue, heat it up again, push it down. So now we're gonna heat it back up because you wanna make sure it's activated. Watch it, it just like sucks in by itself. It's so much fun. Okay, now this is overlapping just a little bit here, and I don't want that. I want it to be completely together, so I'm gonna cut this right here with the scissors, just like that, and I'm gonna butt it up together and hold it down. And that should be seamless right there. Can't even see it. And especially if you're gonna be painting over this, you're not gonna see any of this. And guess what? Because this is porous, if you wanted to stain it or paint it, whatever you wanted to do, if you wanted to stain it dark and then paint a lighter color over it, you can actually take sandpaper afterwards and distress it back and actually have some of the wood show through. So lots of things you can do. This is very detailed. You can put glazes, anything you want on this once it is dry. So right now I'm just gonna hold it down until it's dry. It shouldn't take that long. And then we're ready to add the next piece of WoodUbend molding. That's pretty. Now we're gonna take this one. We're gonna do the same thing, same process. You're gonna heat up the WoodUbend first. Make sure, because it comes and it's really stiff, it's hard. It's just like wood. It's a wood product, right? So you're gonna heat it up. Take your heat gun, and you might want to lay this on a surface while you do that. You don't want to burn your hand, for sure. As you can see, immediately it starts getting bendable. It activates the chemical process or whatever happened when they created it. Heating it up actually makes it bendable. Okay, so now check this out. You can actually bend this and mold it to what you want to do. So from here, we're going to take our glue and we're going to put it on while it's hot. I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to just paint over the whole thing really good. Make sure it gets everywhere. This will create a seamless bond with the product and whatever you're placing it on. So I'm just going to paint it on just very liberally till I get a good coat over all of it. Okay, so I have the glue on my WoodUbend piece, okay? So I'm gonna take it and lay it over. I've decided I wanted it in the center of this. Okay, I'm gonna lay it right there, and you notice it's kind of got cool and it's not bendable anymore. So what I'm gonna do is take my heat gun and I'm gonna heat it up right here on the surface and watch how it will just lay down. And this is a little bigger piece, so it may take a little more heat than the little trim, but this will start being able to bend. Perfect. It's bendable. Now you can actually hold it in place. It's right where you want it. This actually makes a very, very strong bond. When you heat up the WoodUbend with the glue on it, it activates, and because the wood is so porous, it sucks that glue in and makes it even stronger. So this is how quick and easy that you can add some decoration, some decorative trim, moldings, whatever. And WoodUbend has thousands of these different designs. They're so cool. So once this dries, it's ready to go. You can paint it, design it how you want. It is good to go. It's just like wood. Treat it like you would all your other painted furniture.